Hey, what's up everybody? Michael here, formerly with Step by Step Programming, which is now Michael Miles' YouTube channel. And you may be wondering why I changed it. You may be wondering where Step by Step Programming is. You may not care and just be here for the videos, the tutorials, which is great because we will continue to do iOS tutorials. That is what I do. I recently got a job at Fiserv, financial services company. Super cool, loving the job. You may notice my surroundings are a little bit different. I'm here in Atlanta, where I'm from. Pretty crazy I found a job here, but yeah, I digress. We're going to continue to do iOS tutorials. I'm going to also write some stuff on it. I'm working on a Medium page right now, writing some blogs on there. I'd like to have like a written thing that I could also make a video about, depending on how you prefer to learn. So if there's something you'd like to see in code without hearing my voice, which I've heard is fantastic, but you know, hey, if if you'd rather not, there is some reading options available on the videos that we'll be putting out from now on. And just wanted to explain a little bit why I switched from step-by-step programming. The content will not change, but I just wanted to switch because I wanted to have a more personal connection with everybody. I had some ideas for step-by-step programming where I would get other people to make videos, maybe do like boot camps under that umbrella, but I decided I'd like to just have like a personal vlog, whatever, for just for myself to talk about iOS stuff. So I like to go the more personal route, and just to spread, help spread my name out there versus my company's name. There's a lot of reasons. I actually, speaking of blog posts, I wrote a blog post about it that I'll put in the description, just about like personal branding versus business branding and like benefits, pros and cons of both. But it's, like I said, this will continue to be iOS material. I'm not switching into like branding type thing. I just wanted to explain myself. So yeah, in conclusion, everybody, thanks for watching my videos. I really appreciate it, and looking forward to all of us growing together as iOS developers.